Welcome to Mission Manifest. Today is our beginner's guide to the law of attraction. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to deepen your understanding, this video is for you. So what exactly is the law of attraction? Simply put, it's the belief that like attracts like. Our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions shape our reality. And by focusing on positive energy, we can attract positive outcomes into our lives. Now let's dive into some key concepts to understand the power of the law of attraction. The law of attraction is all about the power of our thoughts and beliefs. What we focus on expands. So it's essential to pay attention to your inner dialogue and choose thoughts that align with your desires. Imagine your mind as a garden. Positive thoughts are like beautiful flowers that blossom and attract more beauty into your life. Negative thoughts, on the other hand, are like weeds that choke out the beauty and hinder your growth. So how do we cultivate a garden full of positivity? It all starts with awareness. Pay attention to your inner dialogue, your inner talk, your thoughts, your feelings, and notice when negativity creeps in. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, gently redirect your thoughts to something positive. First, let's take a look at the science behind positive thinking. Research has shown that our thoughts and emotions have a powerful impact on our physical and mental well-being. When we think positively, our brains release feel-good chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, which boost our mood and reduce stress. In fact, studies have found that positive thinking is associated with numerous health benefits, including lower rates of depression, improved cardiovascular health, and even a longer lifespan. So by cultivating a positive mindset, you're not just improving your mood, you're also enhancing your overall health and well-being. But how do we cultivate a positive mindset, especially when faced with adversity? It all starts with rewiring your brain for positivity. Just like a muscle, your brain can be trained to think more positively through regular practice and repetition. One powerful way to rewire your brain for positivity is through positive affirmations. These are short, uplifting statements that you repeat to yourself regularly, such as, I am capable, I am worthy, I attract abundance, I am wealthy. By affirming these positive beliefs, you gradually reprogram your subconscious mind to embrace optimism and self-confidence. Another key aspect of positive thinking is shifting your perspective. Instead of dwelling on problems and setbacks, focus on solutions and opportunities. See challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than insurmountable obstacles. For example, if you encounter a setback at work, instead of viewing it as a failure, see it as a chance to learn and improve. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? And how can I use this setback to fuel my growth? You see, by reframing your perspective, you empower yourself to overcome obstacles with grace and resilience. So take a moment each day to reflect on the blessings in your life. Whether it's your health, your loved ones, or the beauty of the nature around you. Keep a gratitude journal or simply pause to express thanks throughout the day. The more you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, the more blessings you'll attract into your life.